Okay, so this is in park. Engine's running, as you can hear. Now, the change in sound. That's in drive. No sound. Neutral, no sound. Reverse. There's that dot, 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 dot. Park, no sound. Back into reverse. Dot, 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 dot. Can't hear anything outside, you only hear it inside the car. Strange. So in park, engine running, no sound. Now put it into reverse and we get that clack. Full right lock, it stops. When I'm pulling the wheel hard, it stops. Let go of the wheel and the sound starts again. Put it full right and the sound changes slightly. I'm in neutral. Now I've turned the steering. So right, let's do that again. Right, in park, no sound. As soon as I start to turn right, I get the, you can just hear that clack, 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 clack. Turn left, nothing. Turn to the right, clack, 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 clack. Put it in reverse, clack, 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 clack. Turn left hard, it stops, or it nearly stops. Let go of the wheel, she's back. Turn hard right, the tone drops a little bit, it's more definite. Put her back normal. Okay, now she's in neutral. Left hard wheel, nothing. Start to turn the wheel right and the sound comes on again. Sounds back again. Strange. Okie doke.